I find I often get asked the question, how do you make your spreads coordinate and how do you plan so quickly? Stay with me because I want to help you plan a better spread. Even if my style is not your style, you can still coordinate the colors and save time while decorating for an aesthetically pleasing spread. My favorite planning tip, and what's probably responsible for my planning style, is this wax paper right here. I pulled together all of the stickers in a color scheme or theme that I want to use for a particular spread. This way I can see that it's matching on the wax paper sheet before I even use it. I got this idea from watching people make sticker books on YouTube. They would pull similar stickers together, put them on sheets of wax paper, punch holes, and then put it into a binder. I thought, if that will preserve my stickers till later, why not preserve a future spread? But I always have a jumping off point that inspires me what to pull, and I'd like to share that with you here. Friends, I am decorating my HappyPlanner mini for the week starting December 10th. I really wanted to use these stickers from Journal, Jot, and Jive. I love the boots and that it said fall vibes, and the girl with the curly fro, and I love glasses because I wear glasses. So I felt like this was my jumping off point, and I wanted to do what I can left to fall before fall's over. I pulled some stickers from my HappyPlanner books and then some from my Agenda 52 books to match. I was inspired by Becca Curry on Instagram because she loves mixing patterns like I do, and she mixed a buffalo plaid with leopard, although hers was the red and black buffalo plaid, and she mixed it with the black and white leopard. But to me, that goes so well together, almost like an outfit I would wear. So I pulled some washi, I pulled some stickers, and I'm gonna decorate. The next tip I have is don't fight what's already on the page. If it doesn't match your color scheme, just cover over it. When I started doing this, I felt so guilty to cover up the beautiful things HappyPlanner put on the page, but Kell of a Plan helped me to see that it's not worth the fight and that it's okay to do so. I often end up trying to make my spread match what's already on the page, so I have less work to do and I'm not fighting against it. I like my planner to be functional and have white space, so I usually keep decoration at the top border, on the sides, and in the bottom section, especially where they have the notes area. I don't usually need that space, so I can fill it up with decor. I try to balance things out so there's not too much leopard on one side or too much orange on one side. Here's this balance thing again. I really wanted to have both pair of boots on this spread. I felt like it was a fall boot spread and I needed to rearrange things to make it work. My last piece of advice for you today comes from the fact that I'm pretty frugal and I don't want to waste anything. So use all your stickers. If you cut a sticker, use the other half on the other side. If you've pulled these stickers, use the whole palette. I'm going to show you later how I used the leftover things on my wax paper so I don't put anything to waste. I realized I forgot to use the pair of glasses from my journal Jot and Jive stickers, so I found a place for those where it was nicely balanced. Thanks for sticking with me while I plan my spread for the week. You'll see it only takes a few moments once you've already pulled everything. If you'd like more tips and inspiration on how you can be a better me too, subscribe here on YouTube and follow me on Instagram at the links below.